everyone, I'm Helen from Viviana, China. Today we got a customer drove his car from Changsha City, Hunan province to our factory to upgrade his battery. His beloved car is the Chinese version of AZE0 and the original battery pack is 24 kWh battery pack. Now let's take a look at the performance of his original battery pack. Okay, let's find the Leaf SPI readings of customer's original battery pack. You can find the SOH is only 69% now. HX is only 45%. The voltage difference is 71 millivolts, where the volt is 359 volts. So the battery has been degraded seriously and cannot make customers' request. Let's find more Leaf SPI readings. That's for the data. The battery cannot make customers' request now, so he will upgrade to 62 kWh battery pack with us. First, disconnect the 12-volt battery. Get on the lift and get going. Remove the battery pack protective plate. Remove the 3 plugs from the battery pack. The old battery pack has been removed. This is the new 62 kWh battery pack. Installing the new battery pack. Aim for the right position. The new battery pack is installed and 3 plugs are inserted in order. Connect the 12-volt battery. The vehicle starts normally. Okay, let's look at the Leaf SPI readings. Clear the P3102 fault code to pair the new battery. Static pressure difference is 18 millivolts. Perfect. Install the battery pack protective plate. Perfect completion of work. And customer returns with satisfaction.